Morning class. Now let's start the new topic in this chapter number 8% and percentage, that is percentage change. Now the formula to find the percentage change is decrease or increase in the value upon original value into 100%. Second thing to be noted here is the change percent is always calculated on the original value. Now let's do some examples class. A bicycle costs rupees 800. After 6 months, its value become rupees 650. The value got decreased. By what percent has the price decreased? Now original price is given rupees 800 original, okay, and reduced price is rupees 650. Now how much the price has decreased? It is rupees 150. 800 minus 650 is equal to rupees 150. Now we have to find the percentage decrease. So decrease in the value upon original value. So how much it has decreased? 150, and original value was 800 into 100%. Now zeros cancel 0 and you will do the calculation part. You will be getting 18.3 upon 4%. Main thing to be noted down here is this formula, okay? Now next example, a line of length 1.5 meters was measured 1.55 meters by mistake. A line of length of itna meters 1.5 was measured this by mistake. Find the error percent. Okay. The actual length was 1.5, but it has been measured 1.55. So error is 1.55 minus 1.5 is equal to 0.05 meters. This is the error. Now error percent is equal to error upon actual length, or you can say original length, into 100. So error 0.05 upon actual length 1.5 into 100. Now this calculation I want all of you to be doing yourself only. Okay class. Now next is increase 80 by 25%. Original number is 80. He wants you to increase it by 80. Increase it by 25%. Now increase is equal to 25% of 80. We have to increase 25% of 80. So 25 upon 100 of means multiply 80. Now we have got this 20. So new number is 80 plus 20, because we wanted to have 80 to be increased by 25%. So 25% of 80 is 20. So 80 plus 20, 100. Now one more is there, decrease 60 by 10%. So decrease 60 by 10%. So decrease, how much you want to decrease? 10% of 60. So 10% of 60 is 6. Now decrease it by 6. So 60 minus 6, 54. What number when increased by 25% becomes 150? He is saying what number when increased by 25% will become 150. Now I will tell you this method, children. There are two methods, but you do this one. You can do this also if you want to, okay? Now alternative method. Let the original number be x. Increase in number we want 25% to be increased. So 25% of x is x upon 4. Now if we increase a number by 25%, it will become what? 150. The original number is x, and if we increase it by 25%, it will become 150. Now only calculation is left. Take the LCM of 1 and 4, because nothing is here, so we'll take it as 1. Now 4x plus x upon 4 is equal to 150. 5x is equal to 150 into 4, and this 5 will come in the denominator and x will get 120. Okay. Now last but not the least, example number 13. A number first decreases by 60, then again decreases by 80. Find the percentage decrease on the whole. Okay class. Now let the number be 100. Now first case, it decreased by 60%. So 60% of 100 is 60. So number after this decreases 100 minus 60, 40 is left. Understood this here? This much? That decreases 60%. So 60% of 100 is 60. It has first decreased by 60%. So 100 minus 60, 40. Then again decreased by 80%. है ना? So 80% of 40, because this is left with us, and again it has decreased 80%. So 80% of 40 is 32. Now number after the second decrease, 40 minus 32, 8 is left. Now total decrease on the whole thing is there. First decrease 60, then decreased 32. So total decrease is 92. And the original value was 100. So 92 upon 100, and to turn it to percentage, multiplied by 100. So 100 cancels 100, 92%. The percentage decrease on the whole is 92%. I hope this is clear. Now on the basis of these examples, you will be doing exercise 8th C.